What?
You film it.
I don't know how to operate this.
Any more?
This is the lens.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's looking at you.
Is
the
it on?
beautiful, yeah. The
Jesus
beautiful
Christ.
Iranian women.
No.
Show the beast. Let's show the beast.
Where is the beast?
Here's the ribs. Here's the blood. The fresh beast blood.
Oh, great.
And everybody's having. That's pretty badass.
You should play that song Out for Blood when you
Yeah, for blood.
Oh,
Show
nice.
the ribs. Here's the tongue.
Pineapple is not upside down.
Here's brain, ears, tongue, all the organs. Let's bring the raw organs also.
No. I'm good with the cooked organs. Bottoms up. Yeah. Post.
Okay, the girls are gonna go first. I will film you.
Cheers.
1 to 10.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Not much.
Neutral.
Yeah.
Very good big splash.
Now there's an aftertaste.
aftertaste. Irony aftertaste.
Yeah.
Huh?
Quite nice though.
Yeah.
Quite nice. What rating?
Chin chin.
Oh, wow, okay.
Owen, what's your rating?
Salut.
Oh, let
Salute.
me charge it. Hang on.
he's, he's doing a shot.
We are getting addicted to the blood already.
You didn't even taste it.
Yeah, I did.
It's kind of rough, huh?
It's just a bit salty.
Yeah, salty.
I like it.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
What's your rating, guys?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
8.
8. So let's say 5. Owen, what's your rating?
It's not rateable.
It's not gradable. Let's.
Okay. Now,
I got the big shot, huh?
what the hell happened to it? Okay.
Huh? Mr.
Go ahead.
Excellent Health.
Yeah.
Money.
Mr. Excellent Health, where is he?
Owen's struggling. I think he needs to wash his.
You got gagging? It's pretty good, actually.
I thought.
I actually really like the blood.
I don't like it, but I don't dislike it. So,
If someone says
It's like a smoothie.
this is like life force,
Is Owen having trouble?
good for you.
very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, healing,
Yeah, healing.
Are
very
you having
healing
trouble?
for anyone
No,
with.
I'm just getting some water. So I can wash it out in my mouth.
You didn't like
Cheers. I have a gulp left.
it? Tomatoes. This is the start of our hunt for human baby.
Don't say it. Don't say it. Do not say that code word.
Yeah, on YouTube.
Did you show this one?
When the Mito becomes the Rothschild and the
Yeah.
Rockefeller.
This is probably how it started for the Rothschilds. Back in the days, they were like,
We can do
this
better.
goat's blood is real nice.
We can do better
Yeah,
than this,
we
though.
can do better than. What would be better than young goat? Then they just look at their little children there.
Pigs.
How about
Okay.
raw organs?
What is this? No, I want cooked. Is this liver?
Yeah, that's liver.
Okay, I'm gonna have this.
Mm-hmm.
Muy bien.
Tara, you want raw organs.
Yeah.
This is hard. Let's taste the heart first. I'll have one with you. This is hard.
Start with the fat.
It's quite good. You didn't like the liver?
No, it's different than like the liver I usually cook. It's
not good.
pig liver. No, it's good. It's different. I'm gonna have another piece of something.
Tara, how did you like hard?
I thought that was very nutritious.
Nutritious? Was it hard?
Hard.
Nutritious and delicious.
Hard to eat?
Mm-hmm.
No? What about lung? You want lung? I have never had raw lung.
I did need to process the heart.
It was a little hard.
I want to get maximum nutrition.
Yeah. Just the lung.
Should we offer Teresa some blood?
You want any beak's blood?
She'll throw us out of this house.
The lung is kind of hard. It's very chewy.
Can we go get to the ribs part?
Oh yeah, like people suggesting we're part of a cult. This is going to confirm it.
Yeah, Milo called.
Yeah.
No, this is the most nutritious food.
Yes, it is.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get some of these ribs. Go show the head.
Yeah.
Give a little commentary.
Let's see the head. Cooked in banana leaves. Ooh. That's pretty well done. Yeah. Those are the teeth. Yeah, this definitely is not halal or kosher, so. Oh, I think the screen went black. Is this out of charge?
No, it's still filming.
It's still filming?
You just tap it like this.
Oh, I'm such a
Yeah.
yeah.
This is the ribs.
Yeah. So
You want some ribs?
I taught you something new today, huh? About the pineapple.
Yeah. Can you explain today's science audience?
Upside down pineapple is apparently a sign for swingers. So if you go on a cruise and you have that sign on your cabin door, basically you're welcoming other swingers, apparently. Ooh, that looks good.
You missed all the collagen.
Let's get this.
Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you.
Wow.
You want some
Look at-
Cheyenne?
Yes, please. Por favor.
We have to save some of this fat for Jones also, because he likes such fat.
Don't take my fat.
Oh yeah, you can have that.
It's okay.
He's
you
not
can
e-
save it
he's
for
not
John.
even here.
Where is he?
Yeah, he's
like,
not even
if
here.
he's not here, I'm not saving anything for him. I'm just kidding. We'll save it.
It's for you.
Thank you. Such a
I got
I
a lot.
like it. You could watch it.
Just like these bones that we've eaten today.
Get in there.
yeah.